Start by opening the Dremel Digilab software. It can be found on the desktop or downloaded for free from Dremel's website. You will see it looks like a white letter D on a green background. You can minimize your screen and drag any STL or OBJ file onto the build plate directly from your desktop. Let's use the toolbar on the left to get our object ready to be printed. The top button can be used to open files from your computer or a flash drive. The next button down is the Move button. Using this tool, you can move your object around the build plate either by clicking and dragging it or by typing in XYZ coordinates. This is the Scale tool. Using this tool, you can resize any object so it fits better on the build plate. You can scale by typing in specific measurements or percentages. Next is the Rotate button. You can use these wheels to rotate your object on the X, Y, or Z axis. This button will lay your object flat on the print bed. The Mirror button allows you to mirror your object horizontally or vertically. This View button at the bottom lets you change the view to see the individual layers of your project. Over on the right-hand side of the screen are the Print Setup settings. Here, you can change the infill density and whether or not the print will have supports. You might need to generate supports if your print has overhanging pieces. Once you are happy with your print, you can click Prepare here at the bottom. Now your print is ready to save to an SD card and head to the printer.